It's a beautiful day to be awake and outside.
Not condoning it, but it
Do this. Oh girl, that's your skin. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Leanne. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today we have an event here on campus. It's the Geek Culture Student Society, and I'm looking forward to it. It's basically about GitHub and how to use it, what to use it for, since we have a project that we want to do as a chapter. So yeah, stay tuned. This is going to be a fun vlog. There's going to be popcorn, stuff like that. I really hope that the turnout will be great as well. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys inside. Let's go. Oh yeah, hold on. Yeah, so let's go meet the others. Oh my god, I feel like my bag is tugging at my shoulder. Yeah, but we're on campus now. Yeah, I feel so weird like filming in public. Like there's public, just like people I know. You know what, I don't even want to talk. Anyways, yeah, it's a beautiful day to be awake and outside. Yeah.
You make time.
Yeah.
I'm not condoning it, but it happens.
Yeah, which is more reason to put the exams together, because that means you're basically saying you don't need all that extra time. You can just do it the night before. Therefore, we cannot write 5 papers in a month.
The thing about Tabo over there who needs that whole 1 week to study for that 1 week. You never know. How sure are you? He will never use it. Well, you never know.
So we are going to get the popcorn. Very excited. You were writing.
Do you see bullets? Bullets?
Oh, I'll copy almost all of them. Okay. The one oil might cover and my popcorn. I cover the same. Yes, she's oil.
So is it on right now?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh.
Okay. Do this. You close it.
Okay.
This will be another tail.
Okay.
In it.
I used to talking about the same thing.
In.
I think. Hey.
Oh my god.
But it's not even letting out that much smoke. No, there's no smoke. 너무 잘 그리고 배고파요. 와, 진짜 뭐야 이거? 그래. 근데 진짜 싫은데요? 진짜 I think that I did it, but somehow it doesn't show like that, right? Maybe because I was thinking about it. Isn't it so beautiful? I feel like I'm a part of something big. Like my inner child is literally giggling right now. This is the kind of stuff I like. Yes.
umazisi ngicela inombolo yelicense